Margherita sausage with sauteed Melrose peppers served on Toronto French bread. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the Melrose peppers. And depending on what I'm using the Melrose peppers for, sometimes I'll de-seed the peppers, sometimes I won't. I feel that they offer two different flavors, with and without seeds. So today we're gonna de-seed because we're doing a sandwich. So I just like to cut off the top and literally just give it a squeeze, a nice tap, and all your seeds come right out. There's not a lot of seeds in Melrose peppers. If you don't mind the seeds, just take the cap off and fry them with the seeds in there. Okay, now that we got all our peppers clean, we're gonna walk over to the stove and start cooking our sausage and peppers. I'm gonna saute the sausage in a pan with the peppers. You could definitely grill the sausage and the peppers. There's a lot of different options that you could use for this particular sandwich. So we're gonna start with a little bit of oil in our pan. Our pan is hot. We're gonna put our sausage into the pan. We're gonna start searing the sausage. Once we have a nice sear on our sausage, we're gonna start to add our other ingredients. If you don't wanna cook in the house, it's summertime, you wanna barbecue, you could throw the sausage on the grill, season your peppers with the oil and your seasonings, a little garlic, a little onion, wrap them in aluminum foil and throw them on the grill while you're cooking the sausage. So once we got our sear going and the sausage is starting to release its juices, we're gonna throw in a little bit of onion and our peppers right on top of our sausage. We're gonna season our peppers with a little salt and pepper. I like to add about 4 ounces of white wine just as a cooking liquid to help marry all the flavors together, get some steam going to help cook the peppers and the sausage while keeping everything juicy. The white wine will also help us to deglaze the bottom of our pan to pick up that nice sausage flavor off the bottom of the pan as we're browning off our sausage. So once everything is nice and sauteed, I like to cover up the pan that I'm cooking in to help trap in that steam and those cooking juices. Just squeeze the aluminum foil to the side of the pan to help seal it. So personally, there's nothing I enjoy better than warm, crispy bread. So I'm gonna take our Toronto French rolls. I'm gonna throw them back in the oven to crisp up the outside to give us that nice chew and also help hold the juices into our bread. So now that our sausage and peppers are done, our bread is out of the oven, toasty and warm, we're gonna start to assemble our sandwiches. So we're gonna do a piece of sausage and a few peppers right on top. Once the sausage is done, the peppers should be done as well. I like to leave a little bit of a bite in the pepper. I don't like to overcook it. I wanna actually chew the pepper along with the sausage. So we're gonna take our juice from the bottom of our pan along with our caramelized onions, and we're just gonna pour it right over the top.